Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for another video. So today's video is going to be a super productive day in the life, featuring some new favorite goodies from my friends at LilySilk. I was so happy when they reached out and asked if I would like to receive a few pieces from their range. I have been so busy with this new apartment, just moving in, unpacking, getting everything organized, getting everything set up, and then of course getting ready for Christmas. I feel like I've just kind of neglected myself. So when LilySilk reached out and asked if I would like to receive some of their items to review and share on my channel with my subscribers, I said absolutely. So they sent out a silk bra crop top that you saw earlier, these two beautiful silk pillowcases which are just game changing, and also a piece from their clothing line which is a beautiful silk top that I'm going to be wearing later on to Jake's graduation. Now, I was surprised to learn some of the benefits of silk, but it also has some really special properties that I wasn't aware of. You know that it is good for your hair and it is good for your skin. It doesn't absorb as much moisture as cotton and other fabrics can, so it is really great for sleeping on. It's much easier on your hair, so when you have a pillowcase that is high friction like cotton, it can be damaging to your hair, whereas the silk pillowcases create that slippery sort of surface so that your hair doesn't catch, tangle and get damaged. I also wasn't aware that there were so many different grades of silk. LilySilk uses the highest grade 6A mulberry silk, and they have toxin-free textile certification.
Bleeding heart, it gets me, but I know that you need it all. Ooh, nah, nah, nah. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming.
Okay, so now we are back from school drop-off. It is time to get ready for Jake's graduation ceremony later on in the afternoon. I wanted to do my nails again, and I wanted to pick a color that was as close as possible to the beautiful silk shirt that I'd be wearing from LilySilk. Today. This is the outfit, and I have heels on. That is stunning. This feels so beautiful.
year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am.
Alright guys, so I just got home from Jake's graduation and I just wanted to quickly jump on and just show you just some close-ups of these things that I got sent from LilySilk because they are so nice. I think this might be my favorite thing. I have just worn this like day and night. It's so comfortable that it's literally comfortable enough to wear sleeping, and I love wearing it sleeping. It's so cool. It's got like a stretchy material, obviously. Now this is one size fits most. The inside at the front is like a different lining material than the outer shell of the front, and the back part is more of that stretchy kind of material. But the front bit here, which sits up against your boobs, is the super moisture wicking part. It does come with some removable cups, but they are totally optional. You can definitely remove those if you don't like them, if they are not your thing. I've actually left them in for the whole time that I've been wearing it, and it does come with a spare set as well. So this is definitely number one on my list, and I'm going to be, like I said, using that discount that I've got to buy some extras of these. It comes in black and nude, so I'm definitely going to pick up some extras. The items come beautifully packaged. They were so well packaged, and they arrived in perfect pristine condition. This was an absolute dream to wear today because, as you know, it's hot. It is summer in Brisbane, Australia at the moment. We are in some sweltering conditions right now, and I got out of the car at the graduation and it was in the school hall, which is not air conditioned. So I was thinking, oh my gosh, did I pick the right thing to wear? I am going to be dripping in sweat, showing perspiration stains and things. Completely sweat free. It was the best thing that I could have worn. I did not sweat one bit, whereas the pants that I was wearing, I could feel like I was starting to sweat on my legs. So I'm very glad that I picked this to wear, and I think it goes nicely with my nail polish as well. Now here is one of the pillowcases up close. It is absolutely beautiful to the touch. It is so nice. When you think silky, you sometimes think of like the satiny type feeling material. This is completely not that. This is so cool. Not sweaty, it is very breathable, like I said, moisture wicking, antibacterial, so it is great if you've got acne prone skin. So I am definitely loving these products, and I will leave the links to all of the items below. Definitely check out their website if you are looking for a gift for the holiday season. I think they've got some really great options. I would say either pillowcases make a great one. Got some great eye masks or scrunchies or a piece of clothing if you know someone really well. They've also got some really nice pajamas, and some of their robes are just beautiful. If you are looking for a great Christmas gift to give someone, something a little bit special, definitely jump on their website and check them out. You will for sure find something special for that special someone in your life. So guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy hanging out with me for a very productive day. I ticked off quite a few to-dos actually today. So I rearranged my bedroom. I got my new desk area set up. I sorted out the tablescape for the Christmas table setting. And we just sorted out a few more bits and pieces, attended Jake's graduation, did the usual school drop-off, things like that. This is a super busy time of year, so make sure you remember to take care of yourself. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.